Mami Marieta, Pastor Patrick po, dito po sa San Pedro, Victory of Christ Church. And of course,
Good morning po, Mami Marieta.
Bumabati po kami.
Bumabati kami ng happy birthday po sa inyo.
80th birthday po.
80th birthday, bigyan ka pa ng Lord ng maraming taon na healthy ka, malakas na kaarawan po.
At kami po ay nag-i-speak po sa inyo ng mahabang buhay at patuloy pa po kayong pagpalain ng Panginoon ng kalusugan at ma-enjoy nyo po itong araw na to, ang inyong pong 80th birthday. Bigyan pa kayo ng Panginoon ng marami pang taon. Opo. At salamat po sa Panginoon sa buhay po na pinagkaloob po sa inyo.
Kain nyo na lang po.
maraming salamat po sa inyo sa araw na to. At hindi man po kami makapunta dyan, pero ganun pa man, bumabati po kami in behalf po ng church family niyo po dito sa San Pedro, ang Victory of Christ Church, Pastor Patrick Ramos po and my wife, Jenny, and of course the congregation. Again, isa pong maligayang 80th birthday po, Mami Marieta.
God bless po, Mami.
God bless.
Happy birthday.
Hello
Tita
po.
Mariet. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Wish ko po sa inyo good health, long life, and more blessings to come. Sayang nga po, hindi kami nakapunta dyan kasi mga busy rin po kami dito. Pero nandiyan naman po si Mama. Happy birthday again and lagi po kayong mag-iingat. We love you so much. Hello.
Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Tita Mariet.
Kumusta na? Happy birthday! Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Kain kita tilita na andyan. Okay, birthday. Happy birthday. Love you.
Ay, auntie, kumusta po kayo? Ingat po lagi. Happy birthday po. Wish ko lang na mag-ingat po kayo lagi. More birthday to come po sa inyo. More blessings to come. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Auntie. Just dropping by to say happy birthday. I'm sorry I didn't make it. I wish I was there. I hope everyone's having a great time. Happy birthday. Love you. Hi, Mom. Miss you guys. Miss everyone. Mwah. Love and kisses.
Happy 80th birthday, Grandma Mariet. We miss you and we love you.
Hi, Manang. Happy birthday. Pasensya ka. Di kami makadalo. Happy birthday. Happy 80th birthday. Mauwan sa panunot ko. Wishing you many more birthday, Manang. And healthy life. Just enjoy your life, Manang. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mommy Mar. I hope today brings you all the happiness you deserve. Thank you so much for being part of my life.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mommy Mar. Happy birthday, Mommy Mar. I wish you have good health and I hope more birthdays will come. And I hope you reach to 100 years old. Love you.
It's Marieta's birthday, John. Can you please greet her?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Etta! Have a wonderful 80th birthday from Hawaii. Oh, yeah.
Happy birthday po, Mami Mar. Enjoy your day. Sana po masaya kayo sa inyong kaarawan ngayon. Always take care po. Maski sa inyong trabaho, lagi po kayo mag-iingat. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, sa mga tulong sa amin. Love po namin kayo bilang apo nyo. Yun lang po, Mami Mar. God bless po and good health. Happy
Hola Mami, happy birthday. More birthday to come. Wish ko sana bigyan ka panigad ng mas malakas pang pangangatawan, more blessing, and maraming salamat kasi kung hindi dahil sa inyo kanila Mama J, Papa Eman, Dading, wala ako ngayon kung nasa man ako. Maraming salamat kasi napagtyagaan niya ako. And enjoy your day, Mami. I love you.
Hi, Mami Mar! Happy birthday! I wish you good health and boundless happiness in life. Thank you so much for everything. I love you and I miss you so much. Sana sa susunod na birthday mo makasama na ako. Yun lang. Happy birthday. God bless. Mwah. Hi, Mami Mar!
Happy birthday, Mami Mar! Wish ko sana po mas humaba po ang buhay nyo. Good health po para sa inyo. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi. Enjoy your day po. God bless. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo.
Hello, Mommy. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best on your special day. May the Lord Almighty God shower you all the blessings in life. Good health always, and God bless you. We love you. Bye-bye. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Mamila. Happy birthday. Take care of yourself. God bless you, and we love you. Hi, Mamila.
Happy 80th birthday, Mami Mar. More birthdays to come. We love you.
I love you. Happy birthday, Mami Mar. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mother.